So under the profit margin scheme, let us look at the most common example, which is of used cars or, for example, used furniture. Now in this case, when you talk about second hand cars, we look at one example. If, for example, you have a new cars automobile manufacturer like Galadari, or you can have GAC Motors Company, or you can have Haptur Motors or AW Rustamani, any one of the same. Now they are selling first hand cars to an individual. Now this individual has purchased a first hand car from this VAT registered supplier. Now, when this individual will be selling off his car, probably he used it for 5 years or 10 years, and then when he is selling his car to, for example, A, B, C used cars company, and this car is already, by the way, 5-10 years old, then it is very likely that this guy does not has his tax invoice on him, which he took from this Galadari or AW Rustamani company when he purchased it first hand. Now, in order to claim for input VAT recovery, ABC used car company needs a purchase invoice. This individual, being non-registered and unregistered individual, does not have a tax invoice. Because he does not have a tax invoice, it will be virtually impossible for ABC used cars company to claim for an input VAT recovery. So what will happen in that case is, this guy, ABC company, this company was unable to claim on its purchase, but when ABC company will be selling to, for example, another individual, I would say Mr. B, then they will be charging VAT to him and collecting output VAT. Now in this case, what's happening is double taxation. ABC company is paying output VAT to the Federal Tax Authority, but is unable to claim for his input VAT recovery. Why? Because he does not have invoice. Because, for example, this guy, Mr. A, this individual, was not able to provide him with an invoice because he is not a registered supplier. He's an unregistered supplier.